everyone, today we are at Kuipers Family Farm for apple picking. They will give us a bag and our entry ticket. We can pick our choice apple and eat as much as we want. Let's pick yummy apple with us.
Hey, yo, be the original. Be funny.
Yeah, like bunny, yeah. Yeah, you did it. Last time, right? During Tulip Festival.
It was created in 1960 and released into the market in 1991. Next up, true or false? Apples are part of the rose family. You know the answer. 10 seconds on clock. Well, they might seem a lot different than a dozen roses.
Come on, guys. Oh.
That's the green bee right there. Very cool. That's what you gotta wear. Yeah.
See, here, both sides. There are lots of them.
Alright, James.
There's two.
James. James.
There are 3 different types of apples you can pick today. The first one is called a blondie. It is a crispy, crunchy, sweet apple. Kids love this apple. Great for snacks, great for lunches. The gala apple is very sweet, crispy, juicy, crunchy. Great apple for making homemade applesauce. And then if you like to bake, this is the apple to go with. It's the Johnamac. Semi-sweet.
Good job.
You want to eat?
This is how you need to eat apple. Wash it.
छुरी छुरी को टाइम ना चाइनीज वाला से पूरा काट
apple के अचार का सी वाह बढ़िया
I got 3 at a time, but I got.
Is it yummy, Sarah?
क्रंची अच्छी
Yummy, yummy.
actually ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ଏଟା ପୁରି ଗଲା
Hi, Mom. Tommy's over here.
Is it yummy, Sarah?
Where's my dad? It's over there. Bro, why is all the dollars up there? Mama, सब बड़ा फिर ऊपर है Oh my God! This is very tricky. Yo!
Yeah, nice. Go, keep in bag.
But this one is very heavy.
It's your bag. That's your bag. Yes, Sierra. Pick your bag. Pick your bag.
Keep your bag down and pick in both hands.
I found a technique.
Pick in both hands.
That's a good one.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. job.
One, two, three.
Hi, I'm eating an apple.
Hey, Dora, I'm going to hold you.
Let's find them.
Sini nak. Kain kayu, bon kayu. Di mana?
Yeah, choo-choo. How does your train go?
butterfly.
You guys out of the sound.
different types of apple, also ate a lot. Every year we go for apple picking. It's fun to pick apple from tree. We also did toy train ride of sunflower farm, ate yummy donuts, saw live music. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such videos.